Good morning and once again welcome to the another podcast session with Vishisht. Welcome Vishisht. It is pleasing to have you here. I'm very grateful to know about something about you briefly.
This is Vishist, and right now, if you just talk about this world way, so I'm doing my college first year, travel tourism from IITTM, and right now I'm just doing some more photography work also. Yes, I'm running a company also, so that's what I am doing.
Okay, thanks. It is very great, and you are like photography. So what kind of photography do you like?
Well, I do have most of the like. If I talk about my what I like the most, so it is like mostly the cinematic shots I just take. Okay, of anything. Okay, it's not defined particularly, but as the business is also there, so we have to do many things in the ways like in portrait photography also, like the modeling and all that stuff, and we do product photography also. We do like every kind of the things, and also we not only the photography but also we are doing the filmmaking and all. Yes, making the right now there is a big trend also there, the reel making and all that stuff. We are just doing that too.
So you are running a company also. So what the experience you have?
Well, experience is very nice. Like when you earn some money by yourself, not working under anyone or stuff. For the first time, like when you earn the money by yourself, so it is something like okay, that's a great thing and a great feeling. Okay, then after like doing the work with the people, like interacting with the people, and there are the boys and the girls like talking to me about they want their photos to be clicked and they want that also. It's always good making friends and all. It's the photography is a good passion, I think.
So you are pursuing college. And you are a fresher. Do you face any ragging in the college? By the
It's
seniors?
been about 30 days, I think. But the ragging is not the campus is ragging free because there are some of the forms and all. No, not only the forms, but the legal things are going on in the college also. I have never faced any ragging, but yes, there are the people who are gonna be making fun of you. There are the some people. There are some people they want to live with you. There are some people they are praising with you. Like everywhere we go. Okay, but yes, there are like about 125 students in my classroom, and we have different kind of the people, but never ragging.
Okay. So any worst memory you have faced
Where the life,
in life?
the worst memory, like it's never I really remember like worst memory, but yes, um, it keep happening. I do not really remember the worst memory. Yeah, so when my parents like did not think good about me, whenever they just called me or stuff, that's the worst thing ever, because they really matters in the life, and when they speak bad about you, it just really feel bad.
What do people misunderstand about you the most?
Misunderstand, yeah, they think like many times they think I'm a kind of introvert person and just not like to talk to people. That's some of the misconception of the people, but I when they talk to me they just like it. So it's
So you like photography. Your parents also like that you are doing that work, photography.
parents, my mom only know about the photography thing, nobody know about it. Because I'm not on that big scale right now. I'm in a small scale up. This company started very recently. Okay, but my mom support me in that, and that's really good. Not nobody, and after that nobody know.
So what's your favorite movie you have seen?
My favorite movie is Iron Man. That's love.
Where do you like to go for visiting purpose?
First of all, Gwalior is also a very great place. Like our heart connection is with this because
Apart from Gwalior.
apart from Gwalior, first of all, I want to talk about the Gwalior. Why not? Let's talk about the Gwalior. Gwalior is a very fantastic place. Okay, like in the college, it's not like the Gwalior students are only there. I'm talking about like experience of mine. There are the many of the students from Kota and from many of the places from the south and from east and from north. Everywhere the student came from, and they all just talking about like entering the Gwalior was nice. It was really great. It is advanced. Everything is there. You go, there are the villages in the Gwalior. You go, there are the very like city center area and the roads and everything very nice. So Gwalior is not a bad place to live. Very nice place to live because we have lived here. But after the Gwalior, I wanna live New York. That's the creators hub. So just love New York.
Yeah, but the condition of Gwalior in some areas it is very bad. So what your views about?
Condition is bad everywhere. It's you go to the New York, there are the condition bad. There are the problems. If you talk about the roads, there are the bad like status somewhere. It's like how important that place is. Like in Gwalior city center is a very important place. In Gwalior the collectorate office road is very important. So the important roads are very well managed, and those not only the roads but also the buildings, everything, the traffic control and everything we just talk about the. So they are very great, nicely made. The same is there everywhere. In New York also, there are the places the roads are not good. There are the patches and there are the like things like that. When the important things like the Times Square place, like okay, so those places are very nicely made because they are the important places. So the problems are everywhere. We need to deal with them.
Yeah, that's nice thought. And what is the biggest fear of yours?
The fear. So in the fear like. Losing the family. Right now I'm just feeling like losing the family. I'm not talking about only my parents and my mother, like, and they all. I'm talking about making the friends also. There's also the family. So losing the family is one of the fear, I would say, like, because one of the important thing is that. So that's the thing. Otherwise everything is nicely going on.
Okay. Have you ever feel that you are alone or you need someone to talk like?
Everyone is alone, I think. Okay, no one is with you because everyone, like, if I am with you, then there is my advantage. I want to know from you, I want to learn from you. Okay, if you are with me, the same is like this. If my parents are with me, the same is like this. So everything is like this. You are alone, so just enjoy that. That's a good thing.
Any craziest thing you have done ever?
Craziest thing, I've done many things. Crazy, but I'm not like into much crazy things. And that's not shareable, I think. Yeah, I would share. There is one more. The craziest thing, like willingly or knowingly failing in 12th class. I didn't study for 7 months before the exam. That was one of the craziest thing I have ever done.
What's your achievement you have done? Still.
Achievement, like in daily life, I keep achieving. Okay, now there are three things going on in the life. Like I would say that they're the base or the biggest rope of my life right now. I'm going on with. One is the career and the photography stuff. That one of my achievement. I thought of making a company and I just made it and I've done it. Yes. I've earned the money of it, out of it. Okay, so that's one of my achievement. The second achievement is my physical body. Okay, I've been doing the gym and all, the exercise and all. I've just gained about 10 kgs or also, so like within just 4 months. So that's also an achievement. Like I'm in a good shape and figure, and having a healthy body. I have the good BMI also. So the second achievement is that. The third achievement is like again my conversation styles and talking to the people. I just when I just talk to any of the stranger in the public, they just ask me from where you are. Like still in the Gwalior, I just talk to the people. They just from where you are. You don't seem so like you're Gwalior, right, or something. Yeah, you not live in the Gwalior. They just think me I came from any other place like Delhi or maybe Mumbai or somewhere, because I just talk how they talk, even in Hindi, even in English, whatever. They just give a compliment to me, like I just talk good. So there are the three achievement. I think like they're good.
Okay, I think your language is also good. Apart from Hindi and English, what language do you prefer to learn or?
I want to learn Spanish, because that looks that there is a good fashion in that also, because I just love being in the fashion. Okay, English is also, I'm not learning that English, but also in English I have learned that British accent that looks really like dashing or stuff, and that American accent, this and that. So like after the English, Spanish is there.
Apart from Gwalior, which city you want to live rest of your life?
I just spoken before, New York. That's the city.
New York. So in New York, why New York?
Because New York is a creators hub. Okay, there if you just go to the New York, the biggest amount of the creator live there. Okay, If you talk about the filmmakers, if you talk about the painters, if you talk about any of the person, or if you talk about any professional corporate structure, every of the moment you just see, like when I want to energize myself, I just go to a crowdy place, like on Bada. You just go there in Gwalior, you see many of the people, everywhere is there is a crowd, there is a noise and everything. I just go there and just get motivated and energized because there is a big crowd. The same like in the New York, there are in a small place there are many of the people and much colorful place is that. So you just see many creators, you just get to learn everything. There are the skateboard players, there are the like many people are there, the guitarist, pianist, and everywhere, everything you just find in the New York. So New York is the right place to live.
Okay, so apart from photography and what you are pursuing, what other things do you like to?
I like listening to music, the hip hop, okay, the bassy noise things, and the second thing I do is sometimes sketching. So there are the two things I just do. After that, there is a big list like cycling, biking, or like riding and stuff, many things.
What things inspire you the most?
I get inspired by the open-minded and the creative people. They people inspire me a lot. Okay, if you talk about the things, so they are not the certain things, but the people inspire me. Okay, because we are the people. Human beings are always learning from the humans. Okay, and not only the humans, from animals also. But I just get inspired by the very creative and open-minded people. I love them.
Do you believe in love or destiny or luck? Have you ever felt that anything you have achieved it is done by luck or destiny?
No, like on certain this part of my life, I'm not into the luck. Okay, but I want to make my destiny that I will have to make. If I do not make, then I will be end up anywhere earning 20,000 money or something, and also for that I have to make efforts also for just earning 20,000 rupees in this country. Okay, so it's not simple to earn even 20,000 rupees or maybe 10,000 rupees. It's not simple because I have tried also for that. Okay, going for any other job, I'm not gone for every job, but I've just seen that kind of the government. So I think the destiny we have to make, and I'm trying to make. But yes, we have to dream the biggest, then after we can just do it.
If you get a chance to break a world record for 50 crore rupees, what would be the thing? अगर आपको वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने का मौका मिले किसी चीज़ के लिए तो वो चीज़ क्या होगी?
Where is that 15 crore? Okay, so for world record, so yes, in like world records are just like I'm not ever thought about making any of the world record because I'm not into competition exactly, but still yes, if for that I will have to choose anything which is very different, okay, that people have not ever done before.
Yes.
Okay, so if I talk about like what I do, the photography or listening to music or stuff, I cannot just break any record. Or maybe I can, but there is a big competition in that. Okay, there is no one filmmaker. There are lakhs of the filmmakers are there and they're very excellent in their work. So doing the competition, I do not like. Okay, I never like doing the competition in any other field. But breaking the record, yes, I will. If I will try in filmmaking. Yes.
Okay. If you get a chance to change something in our country, what it would be?
In our country, so I would like to change myself because I take care of a lot of the people, and I have I have to say many things about the people, like how Modi ji is, and I just say many bad words about the people when they are not doing very good. I just go on the road, there are the people who are not riding their bike nicely, they are just breaking the rules on that. I just scold on those people and just try to speak bad words about them. I do not want to do this. So in this country, I'm also in this, so I am also the country's part, so I would like to change myself to not to care about others but to care about myself.
Above conversation, I found you're a very interesting guy and your answers are very good. So thanks for talking with me. Thank you.
Thank you.